In today's video, I'm going to show you a full day of eating, my calories, my macros, and all my meals. Let's do this. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It has been a while since I've done a full day of eating, so thought might as well get one in. I'm currently eating about 2,200 calories, give or take on an average, which is slightly below my maintenance. I'm not really looking to lose weight or anything. My current weight is about 168 pounds, and my goal year round is to stick to being around 166 to 170 pound range. So yeah, let's go over everything that I put into my mouth all day. Another thing to note here, guys, this is just one of my full day of eating. While my calories and macros are pretty much consistent, my meals do vary from week to week. With that being said, if you are ready, go ahead and give this video a like, subscribe if you are new around here, and let's get started. I usually start my day off with a cup of coffee. Pretty simple. I add boiled water, instant coffee, a serving of collagen. This is the one I go with. Along with that, I also add 1 tablespoon of creamer because just collagen and coffee taste really bad. So to flavor it, I add creamer as well. This is about 70 calories, 5 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fat, and 9 grams of protein. Then I'm off to the gym to get a workout in. After that, I have my post-workout meal, or meal number 1, which is a smoothie. To make this, I add 1 cup of almond milk, 2 scoops of whey protein, 20 grams of oats, 5 grams of chia seeds, which is stored in a coffee container, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 serving or 150 grams of frozen banana and strawberries, and lastly 5 grams of creatine monohydrate. I blend it all up, and that's pretty much it. A pretty loaded smoothie that does keep me full for a while. This is about 560 calories, of which 50 grams are carbs, 16 grams are fat, and 57 grams are protein. Moving on to meal number 2, or a late lunch, which is usually a heavy meal. Today, it's going to be 2 servings of my Kala Chana Paneer curry, along with 200 grams of pineapple on the side. To make the curry, soak 200 grams of black chickpeas for a few hours. Then pressure cook the soaked chana along with 3 to 3.5 cups of water and half teaspoon of salt for 5 to 6 whistles. Next, on a pan coated with some cooking spray, cook 225 grams of cubed paneer on medium flame, and once done, set aside. In another pan, add 1 tablespoon of either oil or ghee. Along with that, add the following spices. Then add 1 medium onion along with 1 to 2 green chilies. Saute for about 2 minutes and then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Once the onions are well cooked, add 2 medium tomatoes along with half a teaspoon of salt. As the tomatoes start becoming soft, add the following spices. Once the spices are well blended in, add the black chickpeas with its water along with the paneer. Finally, add half teaspoon of garam masala, give it a few more stirs, and there you have it. I usually divide this entire recipe into 2 servings, and 1 serving is meal number 2. This entire meal, along with the pineapple, is about 940 calories, of which 96 grams are carbs, 40 grams are fat, and 53 grams are protein. And then after work, usually in the evening, I go play a game of tennis. And honestly, guys, since the time I started playing, getting my steps in has never been easier. But yeah, it feels good to be playing a sport after many years. But by the time I'm back, I freshen up. It's about 7:30, which means it's time for my final meal of the day, which is gonna be French toast with a glass of all kinds of greens. Basically 1 tablespoon of beetroot powder and 1 tablespoon of this green mix. I usually get these from the Indian store. I have seen them in pretty much every Indian store, but the reason why I go with these is because if you look at the ingredients, they pretty much contain only the vegetables in its most organic form. The most of the greens that you get from other stores or on Amazon and stuff like that usually have a lot of other crappy ingredients in them, which I don't prefer. Hence, I go with these. Now, to make the French toast, whisk 2 whole eggs, 4 egg whites in a bowl, add a bit of vanilla extract, a packet of stevia, totally optional, and a pinch of cinnamon. Soak 4 slices of bread. Each of these are 70 calories per slice. Transfer them to a hot skillet and cook until golden. Takes about 3 to 4 minutes per side. And there you go. Your protein-packed French toast is ready. And what I like to do is top it with some sugar-free maple syrup. This is just 10 calories per serving, and I don't really put too much of it, so don't really track that. And that's my final meal. This is about 580 calories, of which 65 grams are carbs, 12 grams are fat, and 48 grams are protein. And with all the meals combined, we get a grand total of about 2,150 calories, of which 215 grams are carbs, 69 grams are fat, and 167 grams are protein. And that concludes this full day of eating. As you could see, most of my meals are pretty simple, delicious, and high in protein. With that, we come to the end of this video. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you did, please go ahead, like the video. Please do subscribe to the channel and comment down below on the kind of videos you'd like to see, and I would be happy to make it. And until next time, guys, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.